In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove your background from any video in Premiere Pro. It's a really simple method, so if you find this video useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do is you want to open up Premiere Pro. It's going to look something like this, and then just import the file that you want the background to be removed from. For my instance, it's this right here. Next thing you want to do is you want to go over to your effects panel, which if you don't have this, all you have to do is go over to Window and look for the effects panel and click it, and then it will be docked into your Premiere Pro project. It's also worth looking at all of the different ones to see if anything else is needed in your project. But once you have the effects panel, all you want to do is you want to type in color key. Once you have, it's going to be in the video effects folder with the keying subsection, and you're going to find color key, and then you just want to drag and drop it onto your file. Once you have, go over to your effect controls, which again is another panel also found on Windows. You want to scroll down, and then this icon right here is a pen dropper tool. So you click this, and then your icon is going to change from a normal mouse to a pen dropper, and then you want to hover over this area and just click. Once you have, the key color is going to change, and then all you want to do is change the color tolerance. And then as you can see, the background is easily being removed. You can adjust it however you wish. And for example, if this was a moving area, you could also use a toggle animation and you can set keyframes. So for example, if you want it to start like this and then you want it to bring the background in later on, you could do that as well. And then you can change it to wherever you want. But it's that simple to do. Like I said, it takes less than 1 minute. And if you had something that was green screen, the easiest thing I would recommend is going back to your effects panel and typing in Ultra key. Now this is a lot different because once you put it on, all you have to do is select the key color, use the pen dropper tool again and select the green screen, and it will instantly remove the green screen a lot quicker than any other effect you can use on Premiere Pro. However, for colors other than a green screen, I would definitely recommend using color key, which we explained in this video.